Me and my husband was homeless. We was on drugs, addicted to drugs, and he has turned our life around. So this is our way of giving back to God for what he has done in our lives.
So I know you guys have a ton of interaction with your guests and, want to give God all glory. Just thank you, New Hope Windward, for your support with these guys' outreach, of course, collaborating with River of Life Rescue Mission and all these organizations for years. So just want to God bless you guys. Thank you for being a part of the solution and supporting.
Thank you, Jesus.